Hello there, welcome to Let's Analyze with IRAT. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can import and export a CSV file into MySQL Workbench. Here's the CSV file that I'll be importing. But before that, I would create a new schema real quick. I'll just save the name as Sales Analysis and I'll leave the rest as default. On the navigator pane, right-click on the tables icon and select Table Data Import Wizard. Before importing, I need to make sure the data sets are in the right format. So I would move straight to Excel to make sure my data sets are in the right format. This date format is not accepted in MySQL Workbench, so I would need to change the date format to the accepted date format. Using the number section in the Homes tab, I would load more number formats and select this date format and select OK. I would also confirm other columns are in the right data types. Back to my SQL Workbench. Right-click on the Tables column and select Table Data Import Wizard. This interface will pop up. You need to browse the file path and select Next. You have options to use existing tables. That's if you've already created a table, but now I haven't created a table, so I would select Create New Table. I would configure and confirm the field types. You'd also see a preview of the data sets down below. I'll change the field type of the date column to date time. I would also edit the date format. I'll take this out. The other columns look alright, so I'll click on Next and Next to execute. Great, it's done. You can click on the Show Log button to see the tasks that were performed. Click on Next and Finish. Refresh the schemas, and here we have it. Expand the drop down. Click on the little icon next to the table name to display all the data in the table. You can also export this record set by clicking on the export icon above in the results grid, or by right-clicking on the table name, just like we did during the importing process. So that wraps it up. If you found this video helpful, please do make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.